Hi Marygiri, welcome to mathematics class. Last class we have learned how to change a decimal fraction into a decimal number. Today we have changed how to change a mixed fraction into a decimal number. Okay, first you know that in a mixed fraction it has a whole number part and a fractional part. In decimal number also you know that the decimal point separates the whole number part and the fractional part. Dear children, the first question is 3 8 by 10. Here the whole number is 3 and the fraction is 8 by 10. We have to change this 8 by 10 as a decimal number. Whole number part you can write 3. Now you know that the decimal point separate the whole number and the decimal part. So that immediately after the whole number you can put a decimal point. You know that 8 by 10, the fractional part we can write it as 0.8. Already in whole number 3 is there. So that we can leave that. Therefore 8 by 10 how to write? After decimal point 8 is there. Therefore the decimal form of 8 by 10 is 3.8. Okay. Next one 7 2 by 10. Similarly, this is same as this. We can do 7 2 by 10. Whole number is 7. Just after whole number you must put a decimal point 2 by 10. So 8 by 10 is 0.8. So similarly 2 by 10 after the decimal point we have to write 2. Okay, because in denominator there is only one zero, so that only one decimal place is needed. According to the number of zeros in denominator we must decide the number of decimal places also. Okay. Next 5 3 by 100. Here the whole number is 5. After whole number we must put a decimal point. Now 3 by 100. In 100 two zeros, so that we need two decimal places. But in numerator there is only one digit. You are writing its numerator as a decimal number. Then how can we make 2? First write 3, then left side of this put a decimal, put a 0, then put the decimal point, then 0. Whole number part already 5 is there. And 3 by 100, the decimal part is put 0.03. Therefore 5 3 by 100 is 5.03. Okay. Next 11 24 by 100. First whole number part 11 is there. Then put the decimal point 24 by 100. 100 two zeros. Numerator also two digits are there. So that already here two decimal places we can make. 11.24. Okay. Next one 9 2 by 1000. How can we write this? Yes. First whole number part 9 is there. Then what to do? Just after whole number part we must put a decimal point. Okay. Next 2 by 1000. What is 2 by 1000? Yes. In 1000 there are 3 zeros. Therefore there should be 3 decimal places. Whole number 0 we have to write. Next yes. Here numerator there is only one digit. We should make 3. How? By putting 2 zeros in left side of this 2. Now 0.002. So that after whole number which digit comes? 002. Okay. 9.002. 9 2 by 1000 is 9.002. Okay. Next one 1876 by 1000. How can we write this? Just to try. Yes. First 18. Whole number is 18. Then put the decimal point 76 by 1000. 1000 3 zeros. So that 3 decimal places should be there. Numerator how many digits? 2. How can we make 3 places? Yes, put 1 0 before this 76. Therefore it is 076. 18.076. And already you know how can we read a decimal number? Yes, whole number part. Just like a whole number itself we should read. And after that decimal point, next read each of the digits separately. Therefore here we can read it as what? 18.076. Okay? Dear children, now we can read decimal numbers. When you read a decimal number, whole number part, as usual, you have to read as a whole number itself. Okay, after that we should say point. Then after the point, read each of the digits separately. Don't read it together. Okay, first one I will show you. First, how to read. This is whole number. This is 3 only one digit, even though 3 point. 3 point. Next, 5, 6, not 56. Okay, it is 5, 6. Similarly, how can we read the next one? Yes, 418. The whole number we must read it together only according to the places. 418. Point. Yes, after point, how to read? Each of the digit we must read separately. Therefore, how to read this one? Yes, 2, 5, 6. Okay? 2, 5, 6. Next question, how to read? Yes, 809.047. Okay? 809.047. Dear children, I think all of you could understand how to read a decimal number. Okay? Dear children, now we can represent these decimal numbers in a place value chart. Okay, according to the places, we have to arrange these numbers. First, 0.7. Whole number part 0 only there. Means only one digit is there. It comes under ones place. Therefore, ones place we should write 0. Decimal point, same column itself we should put. Next is 7. Now, immediately after the decimal point, the first digit comes under which place? Yes, 10th place. Therefore, below 10th place, we have to write this 7. Second question, 68.29. Okay, 68.29. Whole number part 68. Okay, this is before this decimal point, the whole number part comes up. Which are the digits? 68. Means 8 is in ones place, 6 is in tens place. Okay, next decimal point. All the decimal points should come in the same column itself when you represent the decimal numbers in a place value chart. Next, 29. 2 immediately after the decimal point, the first digit comes under 10th 2 and the second digit comes under 100th. Therefore, 68.29 is like this. Then third question, 814.514. Whole number part, the number is 814. Means 8 is in hundreds place, 1 is in tens place and 4 is in 8 is in hundreds place, 1 is in tens place and 4 is in ones place. Okay, now we can arrange according to this 8, 1, 4. Okay, hundreds, tens, ones. Then put the decimal point. Next 5 and 4. Just after decimal point, the first digit comes under 10th, second digit comes under 100th, the third digit comes under 1000th. Okay, now first 10th, 5 is there, 100th, 1 is there and 1000th, 4 is there. Okay. Next, the last question, 3059. 3000. Immediately when you are reading a question like this, that time itself you can understand each of the digit comes under which places. 3000 means a thousands place 3 is there. Next, just after that hundreds place 0. Next, tens place 5. Ones place 9. Then put the decimal point. After starting in between this, any column should be blank. Okay. Next, ones place 0. Next, 10th place 0. Next, 100th also 0. Last, thousandth place it is 2. Okay. This is the way to represent a decimal number in a place value chart. Okay. Dear children, some digits and its places are given. According to this, we have to build a decimal number. Okay. The places are given. In that place, we have to arrange the numbers. Okay. First one, 7 in 10th place. You know that 10th, 100th and 1000 are out of 10, out of 100, out of 1000. According to this, we should arrange the places. 10th, you know that immediately after the decimal point, the digit comes up. That is 7 in 10th place. 4 in the ones place. Ones place where just before the decimal point, the place is what? Ones, the digit is 4. Next, 8 in the tens place. Just before ones place, the place is what? Tens. The digit is 8. Therefore, here the decimal number is 84.7. Okay. Next, we can do the next question. 6 in the tenth place. Tenth, you know that just after the decimal point, the first digit comes in 10th place. The digit is 6. Okay. The digit is 6. Next, 7 in thousandth. Thousandth means after the decimal point, the third place. Here, second, we can check whether it is given or not. Then thousandth place, what is the digit? 7. Okay. Next, 8 in tens place. Tens place, before the decimal point, the first place is ones. Next, tens is there. Means tens place, 8 is there. 5 in the ones places. Ones place is given. We can write it here as 5. Therefore, 85.6. 100th place is not given. Means it is 0. Therefore, here the decimal number is what? 85.607. We should arrange the given digits according to the places. If in between this, if any place is not given, we must write there 0. Did you understand? Okay. Now we can do the last question. 4 in the ones place. Just before the decimal point, the first digit, that is ones place, the digit is 4. Next, 8 in the hundreds place. Tens place is, we can check it whether it is given or not. After that, hundreds place, what is the digit? 8. Okay. Next, 5 in the 10th place. Just after the decimal point, the first place is 10th. What is the digit? 5. Okay. Next, 3 in the thousandth place. 1000 is given. Means 100 is not given. Thousandth place, the digit is what? 3. Now, in between these digits, if any place is not given, what to do? Yes, we must write there 0. Therefore, the digits comes here, that is 0. Now, the decimal number is what? 804.503. Yes, children, I think all of you could understand how to change, or if a number and its places are given, how to build a decimal number. All of you practice this with some more questions. Okay, thank you.